% of the buildings have reportedly been destroyed. For the latest on the storm's path, let's get to NBC meteorologist Kalee, Dionne. Good morning.
Good morning. Boy, is it an active time in the Atlantic Basin. We have three hurricanes right now, Irma, Jose, and Katia. And that's the first time since 2010. But of course, our main topic is going to be Irma as it marches closer and closer to South Florida. This is what the latest update is. As of right now, we are looking at 180-mile-per-hour winds. And look at the alerts here. There are hurricane warnings, which is in the purple, for really the Dominican Republic over to Haiti, the northern part of the island there, Turks and Caicos, which could get hammered by this storm as early as this evening, and then the southeastern Bahamas are currently under a hurricane warning at this point. Now, as we look at the track, if we move over here, you can see that a lot of the models are moving this a little bit farther to the east, but still west coast, east coast of Florida, the southern tip, and all the way up to the Carolinas, you need to make sure that you are putting your preparations in place. It looks like South Florida could see this storm as early as Sunday. Joe?
Just wonder how much wiggle room is still left there, Kalee. As far as evacuations in places like Miami, that's not official yet, right?
It's not official. We still have about really 36 hours before we're really going to know where the storm is going to go, but everyone still needs to be prepared.
Islands aren't enough to have the storms peter out, usually. I mean, it has to get to the mainland before it loses intensity. Is this expected to be a full-on Category 5?
Category 5, Category 4 as it makes its way closer. What's happening here is it's in an environment where there's very warm water that fuels the hurricane. There's also very low shear. Shear kind of tears a hurricane apart. It's a very low shear environment, at least until it gets closer to the eastern side of Florida. So everything is kind of helping the storm stay strong at this point. So we just got to hope that it continues to weaken. As of the latest update, it has dropped, or it has seen a little bit of weakening, but we'll see that fluctuation here over the next couple of days. But heed the warnings and keep an eye on this for sure.
All right, Kalee, thank you. NBC meteorologist Kalee, Dionne.
Okay, in corporate news, activist investor Nelson